Century Tile, keeping you at the forefront of home design.
Hi, I'm Suzanne Wynn, and I'm here to tell you about one of the greatest upcoming trends that you're starting to see everywhere. And the super cool thing is it works with any kind of design, and that's rug layering. Yeah, rug layering. So what is it? It's taking two rugs of a complementary design and throwing one on top of the other. So in this house, which happens to be modern rustic or rustic revisited, I took two rugs of that genre, a Dury, which basically is a flat weave rug, and a cowhide, which adds some texture, and layered one on top of the other. Dury is on the bottom for color, cowhide on the top for texture. Suddenly, you have a fabulous palette with which to layer all your furniture, accessories, and personality. I gotta tell you, rug layering, that is one hot trend.